This is our new 4-piece rear floor and tub section for the Roadster Shop Spec 7 chassis for the C2 car. It's made to give you clearance for your dry shaft and your rear end coming into it. We build this in 4 pieces. It makes it easier to put in the car. It has the provisions in here right now for the convertible top to still lay down inside of here. This can be used in a coupe as well. If you don't want to see that little spot when you're putting it in a coupe, put a little extra padding there to keep your radius going right. But it is designed for the convertible to give you clearance. We have a new tab that we put in the convertible top to move one of the bows approximately 3/4 of an inch. So when you fold it down, it stacks in there better. And so with your 4-piece tub, this gives you what you need on that Roadster Shop Spec 7. And we're also making, which we'll show you in another video, the 3-piece front tunnel and floor section. Now in the tunnel and floor section, we'll explain that because we're dropping the seat. We're giving you some more leg room, and it's just trying to get as much room inside of an old Corvette for big folks so we can fit in them. Even if you're tall, it makes you help fit in them better. So 4-piece rear tub. We're going to flip it over here in a second and show you the back side. The back side that you're going to see in the car all has a Class A finish to everything. So here's the bottom side of the part. Already has a hell of a nice finish on it. You can leave it like that. You can body work it, finish it off, so when it's going over the cameras at that auction, when you want to really show off the bottom of the car, or you can raptor it, whatever your choices are. Bottom side's finished, 4 pieces makes it easy to go in. The new Spec 7 from Roadster Shop chassis, that's what this fits, and you'll see the floor here after this. Thanks for watching.